This is crystals. It's 12 inches finished. Here's the picture. Here's the diagram. Your alternatives for piecing this block are the half square triangles 8 at a time and the half square triangles 2 at a time. And also the flying geese alternative. In the description below the video, you'll have links to my 2 videos on these methods. And this is a block that would look really nice set on point. So I have that sample here. Now let's look at the cutting. This is the rotary cutting instructions, and in here are the dies needed for your AccuQuilt. Here is patch A, and we need 12 patches of the dark and 20 patches of the light, and here they are here. You cut squares and then you cut them in half once the diagonal. Here is the B patch, and it's a 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle. There are 4. Here's the C patch. They're small squares, 2.5 inch cut squares, quarter square triangles. There are 4 of them. And then finally the E patch is this 4.5 inch square. It goes in the center. So the first thing I'm going to do is piece the half square triangles and the flying geese units, and then we'll take a look at that. Once you have all your flying geese and your half square triangles made, you just lay them all out according to the diagram, and I've put them on my prop-it board. So I'll take this board to my sewing machine and I'm going to sew it all together.